Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video, we are going to jump into quiz 19. Okay? So the question is, which scenario most likely leads to void formation inside an injection molded part? Okay? A, high packing pressure and slow cooling. B, low packing pressure in a thick section, C, high mold temperature and high injection speed. Or is it D, small gate with high shear? Okay? Most common, 5 common reasons of why you'd have voids: insufficient plastic, uneven wall thickness, short cooling time, clogged mold water channels, or air entrapment. Okay, so think about that, guys. If you guys know the answer to this, please comment it in the comment section. Let's see if you know your molding or not. I will have the answer to this on Friday. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. Let other molders know where the channel is. It helps them out. My goal is to just let everybody know what techniques I can do or what I can't do. I try to help you guys out. I might not know all the answers, but I try to give back to you guys whatever I can. Until Friday, peace.